Well, Toad, I decided to give you a second chance of working with me after that disaster last week. Alrighty, so what am I gonna do? Your job is to put all the gifts inside my sack, so that way I can deliver them on Christmas Eve. Okay then. Well, what if I don't do that? You'll be fired indefinitely. Okay, I won't mess up. Well, that's good. You may now proceed. I can easily tell this is going to be so boring. We will now bring out the first couple of gifts. Oh boy, let's get this over with. Is there anything I could do besides doing this? Wait a second. I can say this. Forget this sack. And I have a bit of a better place for these presents. All these presents are gonna be mine for this Christmas. Guess I get be on a nice list this year. Hopefully I don't get caught or else I'm gonna be fired. Now what do you think you're doing, young man? Oh no, Santa is not what you think. Okay then, what type of bag is that? That is not my sack. It's not? I believe that was a mistake you just did. I assure you that my elves did not confuse this sack over my sack. Besides, the one I gave you is a red sack. That is not a red sack. I sure it is a red sack. It's just a alternate red color. Does it look like I'm falling for any of your games? I think you should. I don't think so, young man. I knew for a second something was up. Oh no, he blew my cover. Guess you were trying to do some stealing in my workshop. You know what? That's what I was trying to do. I guess you blew your second chance, Toad. So, what you have done is absolutely not acceptable at all. So, 2 words. You're fired. Well, congratulations to myself. That is right. So unless you want to be on my naughty list, which I believe you don't want to, you might as well get going. No, no, no,